Welcome to Research Hub. In this video, we will compare the Chatgpt with the Google Gemini regarding the translation of research papers, academic documents, assignments, etc. So, we will see which AI, either the Google Gemini or Chatgpt, works best. Alright, let's follow these steps. I have an academic paper in Spanish language. As you can see, that it is an academic paper in Spanish language, and I want to convert this paper into English language. This PDF consists 49 pages, so, first, let's try the Chatgpt to translate this whole paper, which is almost 49 pages, into the English language, okay? Click on this plus icon and uploading photos and files, so select the file and click OK. Now, write this prompt, as convert the whole text in this paper into the English language. Our file is still uploading. Once the uploading is final, we will ask Chatgpt to convert the whole text into the English language. Chatgpt has started analyzing this PDF document, but you can see, it is saying due to the document length over 10,000 words, the full English translation is too large for a single message. Now, switch to the Google Gemini, click on the plus icon, for adding PDF paper, click Open, and write same prompt here, that is, convert the whole text into English language and do not provide the summary or key points. Once the upload is final, click on this Submit option. Okay, Google Gemini has started analyzing this PDF document. Google Gemini is converting the overall text in this paper into the English language. Scroll down. And it's still converting the Spanish language into the English language. You can see that the Google Gemini has successfully converted this paper into the English language in a single click. While the Chatgpt failed to convert our paper into the English language. It means the Google Gemini has outclassed the Chatgpt given the translation text. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel.